So dear friends, if you want to hide your Instagram stats without deleting them, just follow the steps that I'm showing here in this video. So let's get started. At the very first, open your Instagram profile. To hide your Instagram stats without deleting them, you have to convert your Instagram profile into a professional account, okay? After converting your Instagram profile into a professional account, now at the top right corner, click on this messenger icon. Now you get some sections here, primary, general, and request. Now select the primary sections here. Once you select primary, all your sets will be displayed here under this section. Now click the respective sets that you want to hide from here and hold for a few seconds, like this. Now click on move to general. Now the first set has been moved to general section here. Again select the next sets and hold for a few seconds. Click on move to general. Now select the third sets. Again click on move to general. Now see all the sets have been moved. Now go back. At the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. At the top right corner, click on the three-line icon. Now scroll down a little bit. Now select Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down a little bit. Click on Switch Account Type. Now click on Switch to Personal Account. After moving your sets, you have to switch your account into Personal Account, okay? Again, you will see this interface. Now click to Switch to Personal Account. Now click on the Home tab at the bottom left corner. At the top right corner, click on the Messenger icon. Now see there's no any sets here. But if you want to see your sets again, you have to convert your account into professional account again, okay? At the bottom right corner, click on your profile icon. Scroll down a little bit. Keep scrolling down. And now select the account type and tools option. Now switch to professional account. Click on next. Now select your profile width. Now click on switch to professional account. Select creator. And now click on next. Select the last option, not now. Now you can close the page just clicking on the cross mark at the top left corner. Now refresh your profile. Again click on the home tab at the bottom left corner. Go to your messenger icon again at the top right corner. Now go to general. Now see all the sets are available here. So this is how you can hide your Instagram stats without deleting them. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more this kind of helpful informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.